How to fix an unknown error occur while loading a higher quality version of video on iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you fix that unknown error occur while loading a higher quality version of video on your iPhone. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the settings on your iPhone. Alright, so after you open the settings, tap on General, and now from the general scroll down at the bottom, and from here tap on the option shutdown, and from there you'll have to just swipe right from your screen, and after you shut down your iPhone you'll have to just turn it on again, and from there you might be solve that problem. And if you are still facing that problem, you'll have to just back from here, and from the general section again tap on the option software update. Alright, so from the software update section, make sure that you have updated the latest version of iOS on your iPhone. So simply, you can easily tap on the option update now to update latest version of iOS on your iPhone. So after you complete this from here, you'll have to just back from here, and from the settings section again, you'll have to tap on general, from your tap on iPhone storage. Alright, so from the section, make sure that you have the minimum space free on your iPhone. So from here, you can easily find out every application, photos, whom you want to delete to free up space on your iPhone. So you can easily free up the space on your iPhone. And after you done it, you'll have to just back from here. And from the settings section again, you'll have to tap on the option battery. Alright, so from the battery section again, make sure that you have not turned on this low power mode on your iPhone. So you have to just turn it off from here, and after you turn it off, you'll be able to fix that problem. So if you are still facing that problem, you'll have to just back from here and open your photos on your iPhone. Alright, so now from the photos, you'll have to just tap and hold that video whom you want to play, and from your tap on like favorite, and after you add favorite on that video, you'll have to just tap and hold again, and from your tap on unfavorite. Alright, so after you put that video on favorite and unfavorite, you'll be able to fix that problem. So these are the methods. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.